Hey there, space enthusiasts. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's dive into 50 amazing facts about space that you probably didn't know. First up, did you know that our Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy? Yep, it's true. But don't worry, it won't happen for another 4 billion years. Speaking of galaxies, there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Mind-boggling, right? Here's a fun one. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they'll bond together. This is called cold welding. Pretty cool, huh? Ever wondered what a day is like on Venus? Well, one day on Venus is longer than an entire year on Earth. Talk about a slow day. Now get this. Neutron stars are so dense that a sugar cube-sized amount of material from one would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. Let that sink in. And did you know that space is completely silent? There's no atmosphere to carry sound, so astronauts use radios to communicate. Here's a fascinating fact. The largest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. Olympus Mons is about 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Let's talk black holes. They're so strong, not even light can escape them. Spooky, right? Oh, and did you know that in space you can cry, but your tears won't fall? They just pool up around your eyes. Weird, but true. Now, for the grand finale. The universe is expanding, and it's doing so faster than the speed of light. This means parts of the universe will eventually become unreachable. I hope these facts blew your mind as much as they did mine. Space is incredible, and there's so much more to discover. Stay curious and keep looking up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing space facts. Catch you next time.